Professor Kelling, the same question to you. So this is only regarding IBR's decision to enter the Indian market with the global MBA. So what would be your final word or message to Indian students seeking education and employers seeking university graduates?
Yeah, I would say contact us and don't wait. We have won an innovation prize in adult education, which is reflected in the applicable, or let's say education that is applied at the workplace. This is really something. And receiving here an innovation prize by the German industry means something. It is expressing that we're not only talking about it, that we are indeed living it. There is no better way to learn. That's what we have on our website, and that is not only a slogan, but that is reality. For employers, I would say, look at the economics. You come to us if you're looking for employability. If this is really an issue for you, you will find that those students that graduated from ALBSTADT-SIGMARINGEN University with the IBR Global MBA, you will not have to retrain them. You will not have to spend anything in making them work. They are they have the skills, they have the qualification, everything that they need in order to function from day one. Therefore, partner with us. It's in your interest. If you really want to we really want to do something good for your company to save cost, partner with us, contact us, and this is tailor-made. The education that we offer is tailor-made.